Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Jasmy video update for 21 May, and let's go back into the daily and actually mark this level of resistance up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the upper line level right over there and make it like so, and here we are. So basically by the end of the day, what this coin is looking to do is come down to close below the 10907. Okay, and it's finding a little bit of support right now. So what I'm going to do is actually make this line right over there, and the maximum time you're going to see this thing making a move is going to be until to 2nd June. 2nd June is the maximum time based on a daily time frame. So if you actually start to move sideways until 2nd of June here and there, maybe make a little bit of a push again back to the 13356 and continue like this, you might break out of this place, come back and retest and pass, and you continue to the upside. That's a possibility as well. That's something that you have to consider. The next thing is that you actually break down below here just the same way you did right over here, and you number two is you come down, make a double bottom, right? So you make a double bottom, and but the problem is that you're still going to have to break this level, which is going to be 11030, right? You have to break it because that's the last low, swing low right over here, and that's going to be a huge resistance. So if you do come down here and start to make a double bottom going to the upside, it has to still cross this level and that trend line to continue an uptrend. Otherwise it's going to be stuck here on a sideways movement unless it doesn't break to the downside, and then the technical targets still are pending, and that's that's on a weekly time frame given to you in the previous videos as well. But one more thing that I'm going to tell you is I'm just going to remove this and tell you all the the possibility that is about to happen for Jasmy. So here we are, that's the bottom there to the top right over here, and all you're doing right now is probably you made three black rows right over there. Do you see that? You might even make a bullish ladder bottom, and I'm going to tell you what that is in just a second. So if you end up closing above 114 by the end of one day 15 hours later, if you close like this, there's a good chance you're putting in a double bottom on a weekly time frame. Number one. Number two is that this technical target might not come in, right? So if you're looking for a nasty drop to the downside, then you're going to see this one actually come into the 4529 on a weekly time frame. So what is bullish ladder bottom? Okay, can it repeat again? And this is something that I talked about in the previous videos as well. So what you see here, when you have three black rows, number one, and number two is you have inverted hammer like this, and then you make one huge green candle. That's the same like here, you have three black rows and you might have an inverted hammer once again, and then you continue to the upside. So fractals do play out, and I told you even in the previous videos on a 4-hour time frame we repeated some fractals, and that actually did play out. So if I show you this once again, just a refresher, the fractal that you see right over here made a pump to the upside, right? Was the same fractal you see right over there, and it actually played the same way. So on a weekly time frame, something similar can also happen. The fractals right over here can be the fractal trying to be made again right over there. So that's something you're going to have to keep in mind, and you're going to have to see. So maybe if you just close with a spinning top like this one, sorry, inverted hammer like this one, then there's a good chance, boom, you start to go to the upside, and that also means you're breaking the trend, right? So that's it for today's Jasmy video update. You just gotta have to make sure you get the confirmation done right there. Put a check and join our Discord. This is the link for the Discord, and just tap on this one, you're gonna be in, and I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.